Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create this text behind a person video edit in CapCut PC. So I'm just going to select this video and I'm going to copy and paste that. Go to cutout and then select auto cutout. Then you are going to go ahead and add default text underneath that cutout. I'm just going to adjust the text here and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. I'm also going to just type in scene. I don't know what to type, and I'm also going to change the font as well. And I might add in shadow, or I might bring it up here and like make the color darker, like this green maybe. But yeah, that is it. That's pretty much it. It's super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the links button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!